We're going to be making roasted garlic asparagus. The first step is getting the oven preheated to 400 degrees. When you wash your hands, you gotta cut the asparagus. So a cool little hack is you just get the asparagus and you break it, and wherever it broke, you set it next to the rest of the asparaguses, and you can cut it because it gives you an exact measurement. Just like that.
Blooper time! Okay, go, son.
Next, we're gonna make the sauce to put over the asparagus. So you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of olive oil first. 1, 2, 3. And then next, you're gonna need 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of garlic. And then you need to mix it. Just like that. Next, you get it. Oh. And you put it all over the asparagus, just like that. Okay, so our next step is we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper on this to give it a little extra flavor. And we're gonna sprinkle it, give it a nice little salt and pepper shower. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the oven for 16 minutes and wait for the final result. Look at that. I really don't want to try it, but look at that. Yummy. Alright, here's the taste test. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
But who will enjoy it?
Not me. My beautiful mom and my dad will enjoy it very much, but not me.
Thank you, son.